Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing Eid Mehndi design for fingers ideas that will add a stylish and festive touch to your hands this Eid. If you love elegant and minimal designs, these patterns are perfect for you. Let's get started. Segment 1. Simple Crescent Moon Finger Design. Let's begin with a minimal yet stylish Chand Mehndi design for fingers. This pattern features a delicate crescent moon on the index finger with tiny dots and stars, creating a subtle and elegant Eid look. Segment 2. Arabic Chand Mehndi for fingers. For those who love bold designs, this Arabic Chand Mehndi for fingers is a must-try. It includes thick outlines, paisleys, and beautiful curved strokes to enhance the elegance of your hands. Segment 3. Chand and Floral Mehndi for fingers. This Chand Mehndi design with floral patterns is perfect for Eid. The crescent moon is paired with small flowers and leafy details on the fingers, giving a soft and feminine touch. Segment 4. Finger Tikki with Chand design. Tikki designs are always trendy. This finger Tikki Mehndi features a small crescent moon in the center, surrounded by tiny intricate details, making it a beautiful choice for Eid. Segment 5. Full Finger Chand Mehndi design. For those who love detailed finger Mehndi, this full finger Chand Mehndi design is stunning. Each finger is decorated with crescent moon motifs, stars, and geometric patterns, creating a mesmerizing look for Eid. Which Eid Chand Mehndi design for fingers was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you in the next video.